Hello students, let's start with the 10th lecture of current electricity. An electric meter is used to calculate the energy consumed and the unit is kilowatt hour. So electric power is the rate at which electric energy is dissipated or consumed in a circuit. So how much energy is consumed by all the devices is calculated by the electric meter. So as we know that power is work done upon time, electric power is energy consumed upon time. And energy consumed is electric power into time. So what are the units of electric energy? The unit of power is watt and the unit of time is seconds. But energy is consumed in bigger units. Hence we take kilowatt and hour. So 1 kilowatt into 1 hour is 1 kilowatt hour and that is considered as 1 unit. So 1 unit of power consumed is 1 kilowatt hour. What's the relation between commercial and SI units of work? So 1 kilowatt hour is 1000 watt into 3600 seconds, which is 36 into 10 raised to 5 watt second, which is 36 into 10 raised to 5 joules. In standard form, it is written as 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joules. Let's look at some numericals. Please note down the formula that will be used. Electric power is energy consumed upon time in hours. And electric power should be in kilowatt and time should be in hours. First problem, an electric refrigerator rated 400 watt operates 8 hours per day. What is the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days at rupees 3 per kilowatt hour? So P is given as 0.4 kilowatt. Time in hours is 30 into 8, which is 240 hours. And cost is rupees 3. We have to calculate the energy consumed. So energy consumed is power into time, which is equal to 0.4 into 240, which is 96 kilowatt hour. And the cost of energy is 96 into rupees 3, which is the per unit cost, that's rupees 288. Second problem, an electric heater rated 1000 watt 220 volt operates 2 hours daily. Calculate the cost of energy to operate it for 30 days at rupees 3 per kilowatt hour. So power is given as 1000 watt, which is 1 kilowatt. Time is given as 2 hours per day. You have to find the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days. So energy consumed by the electric heater is power into time, which is 1 kilowatt into 2 hours, which is 2 kilowatt hour. And the cost of energy to operate it is 2 into 3, which is 6 rupees per day. And the cost to operate for 30 days will be 30 into 6, which is rupees 180. That's the final answer. Next problem, a 100 watt electric bulb is lighted for 2 hours daily and 4 40 watt bulbs are lighted for 4 hours every day. Calculate the energy consumed. So P1 is given as 0.1 kW, time is 2 hours, and P2 is 40 watt, which is 0.04 kW, and T2 is 4 hours. So we have to find the energy consumed in each case. So energy consumed by the bulb is 0.1 into 2, which is 0.2 kilowatt hour, and energy consumed by the 440 watt bulb is 4 P2T2, which is 4 into 0.04 into 4, which is 0.64 kilowatt hour. So total energy consumed will be 0.2 plus 0.64, which is 0.84 kilowatt hour. Next problem, which uses more energy, a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes? So P1 is 0.25 kW, P2 is 1200 watt, that is 1.2 kW, T1 is 1 hour, T2 is 10 minutes, which is 10 upon 60 hours, which is 0.167 hours. So energy consumed will be P into T. So energy consumed by the TV set will be P1 into T1, which is 0.25 into 1, that's 0.25 kilowatt hour. And energy consumed by the toaster will be 1.2 into 0.167, which is 0.2 kWh. Next problem. A household uses the following electric appliances. A refrigerator rating of 400 watt for 10 hours each day. 2 electric fans of rating 80 watt for 12 hours each day. 6 electric tubes of rating 18 watt for each of 6 hours each days. And you have to calculate the electricity bill for the month of June, and cost per unit is given as rupees 5 per kilowatt hour. So we'll write P1 as 0.4 kW, T1 is 10 hours per day, P2 is 0.08 kW, and T2 is 12 hours per day. P3 is 18 watt, which is 0.018 kW, and T3 is 6 hours per day. And the cost of per unit is rupees 5. So we will find the energy consumed by each device. So energy consumed by refrigerator will be 4 kWh. Energy consumed by the two fans will be 1.92 kWh, and energy consumed by the 6 electric tubes will be 0.648 kWh. So total electric energy consumed is 4 plus 1.92 plus 0.648, that's 6.568 kWh. And total electric energy consumed in the month of June will be 6.568 into 30, which is 197.04 kWh. And the electric bill would be 197.04 into 5, that's the rate, which is 985.2 rupees. Thank you.